Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll be making this fun, easy technique on using scrap clay. These are the supplies I used. Break up your scrap clay into large pieces and then form it into a tube shape. Join all the pieces together and then gently roll. And I'm slightly twisting my piece, just to further distort the design. I'm using some orange clay. I'm going to flatten it and then run it through my pasta machine on the third from the thinnest setting. Wrap your rolled out clay in the solid colored clay. Then gently roll to join the pieces together. You'll want to make a second one, but don't wrap it in the orange clay. And I did put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes before cutting. You want to cut your piece directly down the center, or as close to it as possible. Cut all your pieces into even length sections, and I am doing this by alternating between the one that's covered in orange and the one that is not. Using a piece of paper, burnish your piece, and you'll want to do the front and the back. I've rolled out some solid colored orange clay using the third from the thickest setting. I'm going to place my pattern on top of this, just so my backing is uniformed in color. Lay it on there and pat it into place. Trim away all excess clay. And then very lightly burnish your piece. And this is it. It's a very simple design, but I think it looks very nice. I'll use this to make earrings and hair barrettes. You could also make bracelets or necklaces out of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!